Hi everyone, Ty Eden here, Exit Realty Redefined. Well, this month's blog we're talking about House Care Calendar, seasonal guide to maintaining your home. Now, from summer vacations to winter holidays, it seems we use the seasons as a perfect excuse not to tend to the maintenance that we need to do on our homes. Well, I published in this month's blog a little bit of what you need to do for each season. If you let some of the maintenance items go, they can come back to scare you, they can come back to do some harm to the home. And then you lose value out of the house. And then it becomes twice as expensive to try and fix. So take a look at our blog, read it, hopefully you like it, you can glean something from it. If you enjoy it, please share it, like it, pass it along. If anyone is that you know of or you are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate in the near future, please give me a call. I'd love to be able to help you out in any way that I can. Number is 630-980-0100. And again, this is Ty Eden, Exit Realty Redefined. Have a great spring.